There are many products available to choose portable table saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable table saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 10-inch table saw with rolling collapsible stand. We've personally used this DeWalt Jobsite portable table saw for chopping and ripping up lumber, and can vouch for its rugged durability and quality construction. The rolling stand provides a ton of stability too, making it easy to perform cuts safely and accurately. Rack and pinion fence rails allow for easy adjustments and are strong enough to support an impressive amount of weight. We're also big fans of the 2.5-inch dust collection port for easy cleanups, even after heavy-duty jobs. Onboard tool storage keeps the push stick close at hand, which encourages safe use and potentially cuts down on time wasted searching your workshop for whatever you need. Number 2. Skil 10-inch 15-amp 120-volt corded portable Jobsite table saw with folding stand. At about half the cost of other portable table saws, this model from Skil is a good pick if you're on a tight budget. Rack and pinion fence rails create a sturdy base for ripping boards, and you can make micro adjustments to the blade alignment to ensure it's parallel to the fence. Skil's portable Jobsite table saw also comes equipped with a large 10-inch blade that's capable of cutting through a 4x4, and it has the ability to make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. It's supported by 4 sturdy legs that fold up underneath it for transport or storage. And since it only weighs about 50 pounds, about half the weight of many portable tables, it's much easier to move than most. Number 3. Skilsaw 10-inch worm drive table saw with stand, with a torque-friendly worm drive powertrain, and a maximum depth of 3 5/8 inches, deepest of all the options listed here. This Skilsaw is perfect for heavy-duty projects. It also features a 30.5-inch rip capacity and a user-friendly rack and pinion fence system for maximum accuracy. The huge 16-inch wheels also help it easily traverse over bumpy surfaces, stairs, and curbs if need be. We also appreciate the detailed and useful user manual, which is filled with technical illustrations that make clear the saw's ability to be adjusted and dialed in for precise cutting. An owner's manual of this caliber is just about unheard of in this class of product. Number 4. DealtW 8 1/4-inch 15-amp table saw. This small but mighty DeWalt benchtop table saw is easy to haul from job site to job site thanks to its compact size and lighter weight, or to store if your workshop doesn't have room for a full-size table saw. A 15 amp motor combined with a smaller 8.5-inch blade allow it to reach blazing speeds of 5,800 RPM, plenty of power for ripping through hardwoods. Its 24.5-inch ripping capacity and cutting blade are smaller than other portable table saws, however. It still has the ability to rip a 4x8 piece of plywood. DeWalt is known for the user-friendly features on its power tools, and this table saw is no exception. Tool-free adjusters on the guarding and telescoping fence guards make it easier to set up cuts. There's also a blade brake and a power loss reset for safety, and a metal roll cage that protects the saw during transport. Number 5. Metabo HPT 10-inch 15-amp table saw. This Metabo table saw has the look and feel of a stationary table saw, but in a portable design. It's 2008 to 3/4 inch by 22-inch table and a wide 35-inch rip capacity, the most we've seen on any other portable table saw, is similar to what you'll find on a stationary table saw. The motor also features a soft start for smoother operation and an electric brake that halts the blade quickly after each cut. We also like the rack and pinion fence adjustments and metal miter gauge, which allow for executing more precise cuts. There's also plenty onboard storage for saw accessories like the blade guard and push stick. The Metabo is one of the heavier portable table saws at nearly 100 pounds, but a fold and roll design makes it manageable for transportation and setup. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.